you have also translated a lot. You have significantly translated. You have translated Aldous Huxley, you have translated Grimace. So,
Yeah.
how do you translate? Are you able to find cultural equivalence of the original into Romanian? Because there is a lot of difference between English culture and Romanian culture. There is a lot of difference between Indian culture and Romanian culture. So a translator needs to be aware of both the target language and the source language. So what difficulties did you face while translating the classics?
Oh, you're absolutely right. So it's a continuous fight,
Yeah.
struggle with the words, with everything that we don't know and we have to find out, to study, to learn, to research. It's not only the language, it's not only culture, but it's also, I think, all those sometimes smaller, sometimes greater decisions that you have to make about how to translate different things, how to deal with idioms or sayings or um, puns, which are very difficult to translate. And I think every book that I have to translate came with its own challenge, with its own difficulties. Sometime they were the same, so I had the same kind of challenge, but of course, changing from British to American. And yeah, I would like to say Indian culture was a big challenge, but I haven't translated so many Indian books. So only Grimace, that was the first book I translated, and I was thrilled I got it because yeah, I had just finished my PhD at that time. And I was so eager and so excited and so frightened to translate Rushdie. Of course, that's the only one I translated. Rushdie's Romanian translator is a professor from Timișoara again. She's Dana Crăciun, and she's from the West University of Timișoara. She's doing a marvelous job. She translated everything so far. She has translated everything so far. So for me and for her, that was an exception. I translated Grimace. I enjoyed it. I'm sorry, Rushdie considers it to be his weakest novel, yeah, but I think it's important too. It's valuable because it opens up, yeah, the ground for all those magic ideas he'll
Yeah.
develop in his following novels. And among the latest, let's say, I translated is Deepa Anapara Gene Patrol on the Purple Line. So I love that book. And it opened my eyes on a gruesome reality, and it made me aware of so many things. So I think she's great. I love that book. I still love it.
Are you planning to
And
translate Brave New World too?
a brave new word. I don't know. I love Huxley, but I usually translate what.
I love that novel.
Yes, me too. I don't know. I don't know. I accept whatever is given to me for translation. I never made demands, though I would really like to add some Indian names and some British names as well. But I don't know. I was happy with each and every book I got because they are really valuable books, great books. I enjoyed working on them. And yeah, probably Huxley, translating Huxley, took me a longer time because I translated four of his books. And I usually say that when translating, I relocate, I cease to inhabit my own house, and I go to live in another writer's mind because I have to be there like a shadow. like an invisible person. I have
Yeah.
to, in a way, to be his other voice, a sort
Yeah.
of another form of heteroglossia, speaking about Bakhtin. And Huxley's mind was one of the places I liked to be. That's a beautiful mind.
So you have to be a shadow of the original author.
Sorry?
You have to be a shadow of the original author.
Yes, yes. I'm afraid so. Yeah.
So is it part of some project? This translation work is part of some project.
No, no, it's just I shouldn't say another job. It's not a job. It's my hobby, let's
Yeah,
say.
it's
That's
your
another
hobby.
hobby. Yeah,
Yeah.
yes.
But
Everything we do.
you have translated a lot.
Um, yes, that's a very addictive hobby, I should
I think
say.
you have translated 10 books and you have translated.
20.
20 books. Oh my God. That's significant.
Yeah, I don't know if there are many or just a few. I don't know. I can't decide. Yeah. I hope I did a good job. Anyway, I tried my best and I was really given some hard jobs, tough jobs, especially with Self and the Book of Dave. That was the
Mhm.
most difficult thing I ever translated. Then another very beautiful challenge was translating Juno Diaz with The Brief Wondrous Life of Oscar Wilde. Again, I love that book. It was a linguistic challenge and a cultural challenge as well. And again, I learned a lot of things related to different parts of the world. And that's the beauty of it. It broadens my world a lot.
Yeah.
And my mind, I hope.